chicken skin yakitori. This has been my favourite one I've made so far. However, it's the most awkward. Welcome to episode 5 of the Yakitori Files. Kawa. So we're breaking down a whole chicken again, making a bit of a pig's ear out of it, but that'll be good for another video down the line. We're going to pull the skin off, scrape some of the fat away, and here's the bit that was really awkward, like the weaving of the skin onto the skewer. It was just a bit of a pain, but we got there in the end. Look at it. And then a familiar sight, onto the conro, sake spray. And if you're enjoying this series, don't forget to drop me a follow.